We have another braid.
Welcome back to my channel.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Noma, and today I am going to show you how I achieve my clean and lightweight knotless braid using French coils. Yay! With no tension, no pain, just vibes. So grab your tools, get comfortable, and let's get right into it. First thing first, I prep my hair as I always start on a clean, well moisturized hair. Moisturized hair. God, I beg go English. I am using a leave-in conditioner and a lightweight oil to seal in the moisture. This step is so important because it helps your braid last longer and keeps your scalp healthy. So this is the French coils extension, if that makes sense. This darling product I have used, like I think either two bundle out of it or one, I can't remember. So I'm trying to know if this particular one is going to be enough. I'm not really sure and I don't want to risk it, but let's just try our luck. So first I used koilala mixed with water, to keep it high. What should I call it? I don't know, just to keep it. So I gently detangled my hair from ends to the root using a wide tooth comb just to make the parting easier. Now we move to parting. I like to section the hair into four first just to keep things neat and organized. I am using a rat comb and some shine and jam gel to get clean crispy parts. Oh my god, English. For this look, I am going for medium size braid, so I am parting small squeeze. You can you can always adjust based on how full or light you want your braid to be. I don't know if this is medium or small, but it's medium for me. Okay, okay, okay. Here comes the fun part, the braiding. I start by taking a small piece of the natural hair and so guys, I figured that this one is not going to be enough, so I had to go look for small one to mix it up with, and this one is more lengthy than this. Oops. So I don't know how mixing up is going to be like. So please ignore my noisy background. This one is the OG. This is darling products. I prefer this one, but then this one is not bad, so I have to start from the back because of this one, because this one is shorter. I might end up using only this one the way I'm seeing it. Yeah, then maybe I'll just do the same thing I did here at this side with the other one. So I so much love this color, guys. So I start with my natural hair first, braiding without any extension. I braid for like 2 to 3 steps or 5 steps before adding extension. Yeah, I will start feeding slowly, slowly, gently until I get the perfect size that I want. You all know that the secret to flawless knotless braid is tension control. I am making sure not to pull too tight, especially around the edges. If it hurts, it is too tight. Take your time and adjust as you go. Okay. You all notice I am keeping my hand close to the scalp to keep the braid neat but I am not forcing it. This technique gives you that seamless, natural looking start, you know, that knotless braid are known for. So keep it gentle and don't force it. You will surely get exactly what you want. All right. I hope this video is getting interesting as you are watching.
So I just decided to get my dog to come back.
Oh my god. This hair is
This
taking
much.
longer than.
This much. How many clothes are there that you're saying this much? Okay. Is it?
You guys, this is where we are. The extension is finished. So, what do we do? Nothing. What do we do? Think, 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 think. Do I lose from back? I'll see you guys. You guys, I didn't perform any magic. I had to like losing from the one that I figured out that they are bigger than others to to just get it done. And voila, we are done, guys. So I'm going in with a little mousse to set everything and tame the flyaways. Then finally finish up with my scalp oil and a light edge control to sleek down the front and a nourishing spray to keep it shiny. And yeah, we are done, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you will be trying this hairstyle, or if you have any question. I am always happy to help. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more hair content. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye. Love ya. Mwah.